Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to talk to you about living life on 2 feet. And what I really mean is we are designed to live our lives on 2 feet, but we're really designed to live our lives on 2 feet, 1 foot at a time. So when it comes to moving the way we were designed and becoming strong or being as strong as we're supposed to, it might be a good idea to spend some time working on our strength on 1 leg at a time, or to discover your strength 1 leg at a time. And there's all kinds of ways you can do this. I'll just give you some ideas, and really you can't exhaust all the different ways you can do this. But if you're into traditional strength training, you could do split squats. So and a split squat for me is just when your stance is not symmetrical. And you can focus on 1 leg at a time. So if I wanted to focus on my front leg, I could hold a weight or just body weight, and I could just practice squatting in a split stance. And so you can see that most of the weight is obviously on this leg. You could also do what some people call B squats, which is still focusing on 1 leg at a time. So if I just wanted to focus on my right leg here, I would just use this leg kind of like a kickstand to give myself support. Gosh, and then this is traditional strength training. Again, you can't exhaust this. You could do single leg deadlifts. So if you were holding a weight and you wanted to work on single leg deadlifts, you could do body weight. We've done these before, Lego squats, where you're really just focusing on 1 leg, lowering yourself down, and then coming up, not stepping on your pants, because that makes more of a challenge, but challenges are good. We could even do like walking type of lunges, focusing on 1 leg at a time. So you could traditionally strength train, or you can just explore all the different ways you can load 1 leg versus the other leg. The point is to spend time playing with how you can spend or explore your time on 1 leg at a time. And then obviously you can transition or play with what this looks like from the ground. The point is explore how you can move. And you can use weights, you can use your body weight, you can use speed to challenge yourself and see how slow you can go. You can even turn crawls into training as far as balance, stability, training, 1 leg at a time. And I'm just trying to give you ideas. Balance. So the other thing you can do is don't forget, we're made to walk, so obviously you can spend time walking, but we're also made for bounding. So you can use speed, you can use slow motion, or you can use power, hops, speed, to get your body used to moving the way you were designed to move. All of that to say is, life is meant to be lived on 2 feet, 1 foot at a time. Explore all the different ways you can move. Don't be stuck in a rut and thinking that to get strong you need to lift weights, because you don't. All the strength you need is inside your body, and all you've got to do is tap into your design to discover it. But having said that, be creative and explore all the different ways you can move, and try to find out how many different ways can you move your body 1 leg at a time. I know it's a ridiculously simple tip, but it is a tip that it's invaluable. There's a lot of treasure and gold to be found in there if you'll spend time exploring. And that's our tip this week. Play and explore all the different ways you can move on 1 leg at a time. You can load it with weights, you can load it with speed, go slow motion, fast motion, or just explore where your body will allow you to move. All right, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.